Hey, how's it going? Mike from Iron Nation Garage. Doing a electronic video today for everyone. I ran into a little bit of a hiccup on my iPad, newer iPad. The top volume, which is your volume up button, was stuck in the in position, so it wouldn't work. So I'm going to show you what I did to correct it. I did watch a couple other suggested ideas on videos and kind of did my own thing, and it worked. So I'll show you what I did. Check it out. All right, we're trying to focus in on it here. You can see the volume buttons are right there. Sorry for the focus. Top volume buttons right there. That was completely stuck. I have since got it freed up. The bottom volume button right here worked no problem. You see that volume? You can hear that click. This one was frozen in the down position, so it wouldn't even click. So one idea that someone had out there was to use isopropyl alcohol and what's it called? Used a swab. The heck's the name for it again? Forgetting the name. Q-tip, and dip it in the isopropyl alcohol, and then just work that top volume. Work it all around in there. It cleans any dirt and debris that might be in there, creating that issue and holding it. That worked for that person. I didn't have the isopropyl alcohol to dip into. I guess I could have used what I did here, but what I did was I used alcohol wipes. These are these alcohol swabs, and I worked these little swabs here up and down on the volume. Worked it on, and then I used a gently used a hook and pick set here. As you can see, very sharp edge on this. It's just a hook and pick set you can get through. It's like a screwdriver, but it's just sharp point to pick things out of stuff. So, and just gently worked it. As you can see here, I just gently worked that button out. Careful not to touch the screen and whatnot, but just a little bit of pressure to kind of pull it outwards again, and it worked. So it popped back out, and then I once it was out, I swabbed it even more, got any more debris, and now we have a working volume up button again. You can hear the click. That's down, that's up. So that worked for me. Pretty happy it worked, and hopefully that'll work for you guys or girls out there. Give it a try, see if it works. I hope everyone liked the video. I'm trying to put some different content up. I do a lot of stuff on tractors, Harleys, trucks, that kind of stuff, but this one baffled me, so I want to share it with the YouTube community. Hopefully it could be of help to someone else that runs into this issue in the future. It certainly helped me, so I just want to impart a little bit of my knowledge and what helped me out to the YouTube community. So hopefully that helps you guys. If you liked the video, if you could please give me a subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. We're working every day here to put content out, and I appreciate all my subscribers that are out there already. Thank you so much for following. Really appreciate it. We're going to keep bringing videos. So if you can give me a like and a comment too, great. I answer all comments as well. Any other advice you might have, thoughts, please let me know. Leave it in the comments, and I always reply to all of them. So, all right, thanks so much. Have a great day.